Hey guys, this is Sachin again from We Teach Teens, and today we will continue our journey in learning algebra. Today, let's learn about what equations and inequalities are. So, equations and inequalities are both mathematical sentences that are formed by relating two expressions to each other. In an equation, two expressions are going to be equal, which means that you would have to use a symbol with two straight lines. When you're trying to make two sides equal, you would say x is equal to y. However, if it is an inequality, you would have to use different symbols because the expressions are not equal. These are the symbols. Okay? And in terms of x and y, you can say x is greater than y, x is less than y, x is less than or equal to y, and x is greater than or equal to y. Now, let's talk about what an open sentence is. Okay, an open sentence is an equation or inequality that has at least one variable. And this is very important. 1. If there are many more variables, then it is not an open sentence. Then the equation or inequality is not an open sentence. This means that if you have an equation like, let's say, 2x equals x, or an inequality like 2x is greater than x, these instances like this is when you're supposed to be using an open sentence. And to go back to previous knowledge, x is a type of variable. So, another aspect of open sentence is we need to be able to substitute a variable with a constant or a number. And we need to be able to tell whether this statement is true or false. Let's do an example to show what this means. Is 3 a solution to 3a minus 5 is less than 3 plus 3a. Okay, so as you can see here, a is the variable, right? And because this inequality only has one variable, we covered the requirement for an open sentence. That is, that since there is only one variable, we can use the approach of an open sentence. So let's plug in 3 to a in both sides. So you get 3 times 3 minus 5 is less than 3 plus 3 times 3. Now let's subtract on this side 9 minus 5, which is 4, and add on this side 3 plus 9. Because of the fact that 4, which is the answer for this side, and 12, which is the answer on this side, and 4 is going to be less than 12, this means that this open sentence is true. So the answer is true. Alright guys, so this is basically what equations and inequalities are. See you in the next video.